In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change your avatar on Facebook. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the down right corner to go to your Facebook profile. Look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it to access your profile settings. Once you are on the Edit page, you'll find the option to edit your avatar. Tap on Edit to start customizing. In the avatar editor, you can switch between various options such as skin tone, hair, eyebrows, facial hair, and more. There are plenty of different options available for you to configure your avatar. If you prefer to delete your current avatar and start fresh, tap on the three dots and select Delete Avatar. Confirm by tapping Delete. After a moment, exit the editor. You'll be taken back to your profile page where you can tap on Create Avatar to start from scratch. Begin by selecting your skin tone, then continue creating your avatar step by step. And that's it. You've successfully changed your avatar on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.